What's on, guys? It's Saturday and that can mean only one thing, it's tutorial time. This week I'm going to be teaching you how to do a hard flip. If you like this video, write a comment below, hit subscribe, click the bell for notifications so that you're always the first to see them. We're going to be posting a few different types of tutorials over the next few weeks, maybe a little bit on mini ramp, a little bit on ledge. Let us know what you want to learn and we'll do our best to teach you. So the clue's in the name for this one. It's a very hard one to learn, but have patience and try and follow these steps and hopefully you'll get it. It should look something like this. So it's a front shove it and a kick flip put together. So like always with these flip tricks, foot positioning is really important for this one. So my back foot goes to the middle of the tail and my heel's up in the air, so I'm just on my toes. And then you just have that spring in that back foot. You don't want to be flat foot, you don't want to be on the pocket. The middle of the tail is the sweet spot for this one. It's easier to give it that scoop that it's going to need. The front foot, again, similar to the tray flip, has two rolls in this one. It's going to flip the board, giving it the rotation, but then it's also going to be the one that stops the rotation, catching it. So you're going to stand with it in the middle of the board at a 45-degree angle so that it's ready to flick off to the side, to give it that motion it's needed to get it all the way around. You want to flick just over that one bolt, and as it goes round, as soon as you've flicked it, you want to bring that foot back up in front of you to find that grip tape. If you just flick it and your foot stays over there, you're not going to be able to catch it. It's a very common problem where people can get the rotation but the board just flies out in front of them. So you need to get that flick off that way, and then as soon as that's gone, bring it out in front of you, ready to catch it, bring it round and roll away. When you're learning this one, it's much easier if you have your feet closer together. If you have your feet really wide like this, like you might do for a kick flip, it makes it very hard to give it the flick that's needed to get it round. If you're struggling with learning this one on flat ground, give it a go on flat banks, give it a go over a hip, off a ledge. Try it in different places and you'll find that the more you experiment with it, the more it will start to make sense. And plus it's a bunch of fun if you can just do it everywhere. So that's it for hard flips. I hope this video helped. Let us know in the comments below if it did. Remember to check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and head to this website to check out the rest of our gear, such as these nice new hoodies. Check in with us next Saturday for another tutorial. See you soon.